Hello, what's up, guys? This is my YouTube channel, DE Rodrigo. Please subscribe. Please subscribe my channel. Today, I'm going to show you some tips for the new beginners. How to check your Mac system information. Okay, let's see. First, you can see here this Apple logo about this Mac, and you will guess OS XL Capitan. That is the version. This display, storage, memory, support, service. Overview. This under overview, system report. Under system report, audio, Bluetooth camera, card reader, diagnosis, disk burning, Ethernet cable, network, software, developer, logs, startup items. This red one for close. If you want to completely close, Command Q. Second one, I'm going to show you how to get your application. Go application, and you can see each and every application in your laptop or desktop in Mac. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe and get me some help.